Oh, hi, Finn.
Hi, Finn.
Let's all play outside.
Yeah, let's go outside.
Outside seems good.
Oops.
Well, we broke that window. Now we need to go to the store. Oh, money.
Coupon, actually. Hey, you know where the coupon went?
No.
This should be the way.
How?
I'm driving skills are crazy cool. Can you agree
Yeah.
with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Anyway,
I
we're
need
here.
help, please.
Yeah, perfect.
You can't be complaining.
Can we get gumbo?
Gumballs? What type of gumballs are these? You know, Mom would
This is
never let
crazy.
us chew on gum. Not right now, Finn. So,
Somebody drive like this in the world.
Nah, let's get inside. I don't know what to get.
I don't know. We don't got money.
Yeah,
Let's go.
ensues. Okay, we go into the store.
And apparently we're piled. Anyway, what the heck was that?
I'm just eating.
Excuse me?
Oh, yeah, give me that.
Great. He's dead.
Okay.
What do we do
need to
now?
get everything.
Everything. I
Yeah.
mean, yeah, sure. I found a seashell. What else do you want?
Food. We need food.
Wait, we
Yeah,
need
thank
food.
you.
Oh, yeah, get in. I need to rearrange this seashell. Morning. Oh, wow, what the heck? Guys,
What happened to the store?
I don't know.
It's the airplane.
Where did you last see your son and daughter?
I don't know.
So where did they go shopping?
Ikea, down the road.
Now we're on to something. We're here, going in.
Die.
Woo!
Okay.
We
what?
escaped this horrible place. And why is your
Oh my God,
car
what happened to-
wet?
Are you okay, guys?
Finn, get over here! Dude, you didn't have to do that. Let's go.
We got home. Perfect.
Anyway, so who broke the window?
Dad.